Hi gals and guys. So I got a couple of machines here. Got the 348 over here on the left side, and here I got a 338. Now the cover, base plate cover is still on, the front cover is still on. I'm going to take that off a little bit later, same with the top. But what I'm interested in is the 348 there. And you may remember I was previously talking about the tension stud assembly right here, tension device, upper tension device assembly, tension device stud, pardon me, device, not assembly. But anyway, the screw, the set screw to tighten that is right down there, and it can be difficult to get to. So the point of this video is showing how I loosened the collar spring set screw here, right there. And by loosening that and taking the pressure off from that spring, I was able to get enough leeway on the needle bar driving arm, which goes along here, comes up here and hooks up here, right there. Can I move that? There. Yeah, right there. That's the end of the needle bar driving arm. So that's what, if this is tightened up and positioned a certain way, like it should be set, it can block access to that set screw that tightens and secures that in there. So that's what I'm talking about. And so that's the intro. I've already got about another minute and a half of video done where I am playing around with that exactly. So I'm not going to get into that right now, but what I do want to do is I would like to pay a little more attention to this 338, because I know you gals and guys like to have fun, and you know, a cool machine is a fun machine. Now this machine, this 338, it's grubby, dirty, and try to get focused here. There, I think that might be somewhat in focus. So it is grubby in here. I'm going to undo that, and you can even see the dust there. I'm going to get a little screwdriver like that and undo that. So I may have you lined up a little bit or not. There. So I'm getting that screw, and then I'll get this one done, undone. A little bit of a snap, nothing too dramatic, nothing too difficult. And all I'm going to do here is take the top off, and we'll have a look, see what hey! Well, I took that off, didn't I? That was a little bit scary. Let me get a better screwdriver here. For sure. Cool. There's that screw. Will that come off? It will. There. So it is off. And I'm going to put these screws back in there. And the other thing we're going to have is I'm going to be able to compare this to that. And I can tell you this is a dirty machine. I haven't serviced this machine at all. It's been in storage for the whole time that I've had it. There, that goes in down there. You'll see that I'm putting the screws back in where they belong, and because otherwise I'll lose them. So anyway, that's where we're going with that. The other thing that, not in this video, but when you see the end of this video and talking about that, and we'll get through this little video, 2 or 3 minutes worth, and then the next video I'm going to get into this machine and get working on the hand wheel end. So let me put that again. I'm not very good at aiming at the machines, am I? Anyway, I'll see how much refilming, how many retakes I have to do. But that's where I'm going with this video. And then, like I say, after that, the next video, we'll get into that hand wheel on the 338 on the right side of your screen there. So keep on watching. Thanks for being here. Please subscribe. I need all the help I can get. And that is the set screw there that tightens and secures that upper tension device stud so that the slot is horizontal. Should be like that. And what I wanted to show you is that in order to move the needle bar driving arm out of the way, and here is the needle bar driving arm, and there is the aforementioned upper tension device stud going into the machine. But what I want to draw your attention to is this collar set screw right here, and this collar spring. And when it's set correctly, this bar hides the set screw that is vertically inserted behind there. So by undoing that, releasing that, that bar loosens and moves just a smidgen, but it's enough to get in there, up there, and see the set screw that is in a vertical position. So you see the slot on the set screw, and that's what secures that in or out of the machine. Anyway, my friends, till we chat again. Coming up in the next couple of weeks, I will be more than likely doing a video on a hand wheel. So, adios amigos, stay safe, take care, have fun, and we'll talk soon.